Too tall.
Yes, too tall.
Wow! Already? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. You lift your foot then. 1, 2, 3.
Look here, look here.
Yan. Thank you.
I have seen.
Tinabunan. Ano ka dyan? On.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Mag-isa. Tingnan mo ko.
Sige, sige.
Go.
1, 2. Mag-i-slide si Ellie.
Go.
Go! Yee! Toy, puput mo. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ellie, come here.
Ayaw ni Ninang. Ayaw. Ellie. Wow! Bitin. Bitin. Wow! Kung yung hindi ganun ka, yung friction, ay, ang lala ng friction.
Ay, hindi
Ganun kadulas.
Masano ba to?
Oo.
Lakad na lang mag-slide.
Oh my God! Tapos si Elio, strong si Elio. Oh. Raymond!
Here you go. Ellie! Go, Ellie!
I did not! Ay! Why are you like this? Sige, sige, sige. I have to catch! You should catch! Ba yan? Oh, ay, ang dami ko nang nasalo, girl. Ano ba yung taasan mo? Oh. Ang dami ko nang nasalo. Pati yung hindi dapat saluhin, sinasalo eh. Oh! 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 Ay, sorry! Sorry! Sana doon, ayaw mo mag-play? Ayaw mo mag-play?
Gusto mo?
Punta kayo kayo doon, punta kayo doon. Oh.
Dito na po tayo sa middle.
Careful, careful.
Come on, kids. Dito tayo sa middle po tayo lahat. Dito po tayo lahat. Dito po tayo sa gitna. Okay. Hi, kids. Hello. Okay, dito na po tayo sa middle. Yan, dami. Alright, kids. Alright, before we start, I would like to introduce our event team. I'm your host for today, Ate Eya, together with my partner, Kuya Rap, Ate Rose, and of course, our very own Lana Chan is a 5-year-old, 6-year-old from Japan. Magtatas na tayo bago tayo begins, okay? Ano first step ni Lana Chan? Okay, laptop down and up, and then roll your hands right to the left. All right. 90 po? Okay, here ba? You see, please.
Taka Taka Stone. It's really easy, and it goes. Taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around. Taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around. Taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around. Taka spin around. Oh, that was fun. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Taka jump, taka taka spin around. Taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around. Taka jump, taka taka spin around. Taka clap, taka jump, taka taka spin around.
Alright. Good job, mga kids. Okay. Alright, kids, I want you to... Okay, ready? Kuya Ram, music please. Okay, hands up. And then slow it down. Ready to jump. Up. Okay, para nakikita. Shake your hands like this. Then wave your hands. Hands on your shoulder. Hands on your head. And then jump. Alright, good job kids. Belly. Make a circle. Make a peace. Let's jump. Fuck you. Then make a bow.
Kindness in everyone's heart.
Then turn
Make
around.
the world a better place.
Alright, ready to jump. Up.
Come on, my friends, let's do la la. Don't sing song. Come on and sing with me. Now let us smile, let's do la la. Don't sing song. Love is together.
Alright.
Yay!
It's okay, sit down. Ito na ang surprise ni 7, 6, 5, 4,
Kala nyo lang sila lang.
3, 2, 1. Okay, how many kids you have here out? Okay, 2, 4, 5. What about Ate Rose?
Baka may
2, 4, 6.
open.
Ang dami dito kayo yan out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Bawas po dito. Dito naman yung iba. Antayin niyo yung maliliit at saka yung malalaki. Come on, kids. Do it. 1. Okay. Don't have. Okay, hands forward, kids. Hands forward.
Maliit yung mga napagkalaman nila.
Okay, how many? 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 2,
Rain, rain.
2, 4, 6, 7. Alright. Alright, team A. Sino ang gusto ng team leader? Alright, si Kuya. Team leader natin. What is your name, Kuya? Si Ian. Alright. Dito sa team B. Sino ang gusto? Kayo dito. Ano pangalan mo, Kuya? Okay, Clifford. Okay, dito kayo. Okay, yung mga team niyo po, sit down
Team A!
Okay? Team A, are you ready?
Go Team A!
Don't muna. Hands up muna, hands up. Hands up, hands up. Okay, don't muna.
Ay, wala pa, wala pa.
Hands up muna, down muna, down. Down muna yun. Down muna, down. Okay. Team A, are you ready? Team A, are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1,
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! 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 Go Team A! Go Team A!
3, 2, 1. Alright, kids, compress tayo daw. Compress tayo. Compress na, kids. Okay, Team A. Because Team B, we will give them 5 laps and then we'll say congratulations, okay? Hands up, kids. And then clap. 1, 2,
Congratulations!
okay, kids. Because nakuha naman nila ang best at Team A, we will give them 3 claps and then say good job, okay? Okay, ready? Hands up. 1, 2, 3, go! Good job! Okay, kids, let's go to our event area. Mommy and Daddy's ready the camera. Kids, soon ha! Hey, Mommy, pwede po kayo mag-selfie groupie. Sing nyo mga kids. Okay, 3, 2, 1, once again. Kids, soon ha! Alright, good job. Lara Chan. Okay. May sinasabi si Lara Chan. Okay. Sino daw po gusto mag-celebrate ang birthday dito? Hands up daw. Hands up. Alright. Mommies and daddies, meron po tayong party package. You can choose what you want po.
Ay, totoo? Ay, wow! Ay, almost, almost!
Para makita niyo yung iba.
Ay!
Para maamoy niyo.
Go, 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 go! May points talaga!
It's vlog. Ala.
Ay, sayang!
Sayang. Ito na.
One more, one more. Ah, si Ellie naman.
Open my box.
Rain, no, we go here. Dali yun ko. Nakakuha ni Ellie. Wow! Mas madali pala dyan eh.
Go.
Go, go, go.
Drop it. Drop it. Down. 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 Down.
Yay!
Drop it.
Nakuha na. Asa na ito? Which one are you going to
Ano ba
get?
yan yung ano? I-up mo ah.
Up, 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 up.
Which one am I going for?
I'll go. Seryoso naman.
Huwag yung mahirap. Ay, kasi nagtatensyon. Talaga sila natin Huwag yung mahirap. Ang liit ng goal mo eh. Tsaka nasa loob
Oo. Siksikan eh.
Tingnan mo, grabe yung gusto niya.
Oh, you try it. Ay! Oh,
It's
another
okay.
one. Another one. Oh, go. Yung malaki yung kunin mo. Yan, yan, yan. Go. Another try. Ay, sauce.
Mahirap sa yoyo.
Oh, go.
Kasi may drawing na lang dito kasi napapasok ko si...
Yung duck. Kasi sa head mo kunin, sa head mo kunin. Sa head mo kunin yung duck.
Kaya na siya, diba?
Yan. Yan. Ay, sayang!
Yan, ay, alam mo, Ellie, Tita Ria is good at drawing also.
Yan. So, ilang try ka pa dyan, te?
Wala akong makita.
Sinubuan eh.
Wala na ako.
Ayoko, Romy. Try mo. Kinuha ni Ellie kanina. Oo. Ayan. Oy, sayang. Ay, try again. Yan. Drop it.
Wait lang.
Drop it. Yan. Tingnan natin kung makakabog mo yung mga bata.
Teka lang, alugin mo kasi. Ay!
Mahulog ka ulit.
Dadaya. Oh, here na lang. Oh, you draw here. Oh. Nandito lang
Oh,
dapat.
best. Kaya yan.
Luyo mo.
Ayan, ayan.
Sorry.
Ang basic naman. Ang basic naman. Isang beses lang.
Ay, nako. Charot.
Oo.
Siyempre. Lumalo tayo drop.
Wow!